This video is going to show you how to make my version of Black Forest cake. And you need 4 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1 container of applesauce, which is a half a cup of applesauce, 1 can of cherry pie filling, some Hershey's cocoa, 2 tablespoons, and any kind of box cake mix. And I use white, so it's already in the bowl. And we're going to put our eggs in, 4 eggs, 1 cup of water, half a cup of applesauce, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Then we're going to mix all that up until it's nice and creamy. The cake mix is all nice and creamed together. Then we're going to split it up between 2 9-inch round cake pans. So over here we have our 2 9-inch cake pans already greased. Put half of our cake mix in one. Half in the other one. Try to split it up evenly. Get all the cake mix out. Now we're going to put these in the oven on 350 degrees for 20 minutes and then check and see if they're done. Our cake has come out of the oven. We tested it and the toothpick came clean, so they're nice and done, nice and fluffy. We're going to let them cool off for about a half an hour before we stack them and put our cherry pie filling on. So all we have to do is let them cool for a little bit. Once our Black Forest cake has cooled, flip one of them over in our cake container. Then we put half of our can of cherry pie filling on. Spread it around. Then we put our second cake on, just like that. Match it up. Put the rest of our cherry pie filling on. Spread it around. I hope you like my recipe for easy Black Forest cake. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.